Now the picot, spelled P-I-C-O-T, I used to think it was picot, but it's actually picot, so the T is silent. You can apply these to the top of virtually any stitch. It's usually used on the ending of anything for like borders, but it can also be used on the interior for creating accenting textured as well. So to do a picot, you're going to finish your stitch. So let's just do a double crochet, and then you apply a picot to the top of that. So you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I want you to look for these 2 strands right here, and I want you to insert your hook straight down and into the 2 strands, and then yarning over, pulling it through and through, and there is your nubbly thing. That's your picot, and then you immediately start in your next stitch. So you could have used single crochet, half double crochet, and etc. So let's show it to you again. So I'm just doing a double crochet just because, and I'm going to do a picot. So chain 3, so 1, 2, 3, and insert your hook in behind the 2 strands. See how they're kind of V'ing together? Just insert in behind those and yarning over, pulling through and through, and then continue along with your stitches. So you can see how this would provide a nice border. I use this a lot in my designs because I think it just takes the blandness of something flat and can give it a bit of texture right at the end. This is how you do a picot.